Bristle brush. So all you need now is a bristle brush. And a bristle brush is a brush that you use to tap, tap, tap with, okay? So the one I just used is for those soft, beautiful, soft areas where you want to spread your paint softly. But when you want to tap, tap, tap bushes and trees and foliage, then use the bristle brush. All right, you see the difference. They're stiff bristles. So, all right, so what we can do is we can make some nice old trees back here, some bushes, nothing fancy, just some big old mountains of trees, something pretty simple. We will go with a dark green. Look, that's a nice dark sap green right here, okay? Nice dark. You could even add a little bit of blue to it. I'm not going to get too fancy. So dark green will add some nice tap, 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 tap. All right, just gently tap, 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 tap. See, I'm only gently tapping, but I'm getting some nice shapes by going up and down. All right, so, and you can also draw out, probably be a little easier for you, draw out as if you're drawing mountains, and then that way you'll be able to follow that. Okay, try that. Hopefully that didn't stir you. But look, you can, now you don't have to worry too much about trying to get the shapes of your trees. My paint is still wet, so you can see it's lightening up my dark green. So that's okay. You can dry yours if you want to. Good. So I would like that to be a bit darker because I wanted to lighten it up and show it to you, but get that darker in a second. So keep that going. Tap, 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 tap. So now I got this here, I can follow along with that. So you go right across. You can go up over that line because you're only using it for a guide, okay? That's good. So as long as we get those shapes in first, and then we'll worry about highlights and whatever else you want to do with it after. All right. So that's lower because it's kind of like distance, and this one here is higher. All right, that doesn't look too bad so far. Nice. Good. We won't make it too complicated.